The two seeds. Two seeds were lying side by side in the soil. The first seed said, I want to grow. I want to send my roots deep into the soil and push my way up through the earth. I want to feel the sunshine and see the world. So it began to grow. It worked hard, pushed through the dark soil, and finally reached the surface. The warm sunlight touched it and it grew into a strong, beautiful plant. The second seed was afraid. What if my roots hit a rock? What if something eats me? When I come out, what if I fail? So it waited and waited and waited. One day, a chicken came along and ate the seed that had refused to grow. Moral of the story: growth requires courage. If we are too afraid to try, we may lose our chance to succeed.